Welcome. This episode, we will be building part 5-46E, Lubricator Ram Seal Nut for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 5-46E, Lubricator Ram Seal Nut. So let's go to File, Save. File New, because I have myself. MMGS. And we'll save it. Right, let's go top, sketch, circle. We're going to do 2 circles. Yep, 2 circles. 1, 2. They're going to be 5mm and 12mm. So the other one's 12. Well, it's just might be the way around. That'll be interesting. 5. Double check 12mm. That's going to be straight on the outside. So that's going to be extruded by 8. And done. Now we want to go. Let's do the thread first. Then we've got to do a slot through there. I can do the slot last. That way it doesn't stuff the thread up. But first, let's go to right view. Actually, cancel that. Normal 2 first, then right view. Oop. There we go. So we want to do construction line. Now, it didn't matter that center mid-plane, not when I've done that. Normally I do that, but just didn't this time. So now we go out of that sketch. We want to go reference geometry plane. Click on the construction line. Click on the endpoint. We'll put that one there. Perfect. And we're going to do that again. Plane. Click on the construction line, but click on this point here. Oh, hold on. Cancel that. Let me make sure nothing's selected. Plane. There we go. I think I had something selected. That's why it went weird. I think that was still selected. And okay, there we go. Now we want M12 threads. Let's go to Hole Wizard thread. It's going to be M12, not 18. We want 12. 125. There we go. We want that circle. Could be that one or that one. I'll pick that one. End. We want there to there. And that's going to be through thread. Nope, cut thread. My apologies. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Exactly what we wanted. Yep. So it goes round and no bits stopping it. So that's good. So that's now hide that one. Hide the 2 planes. We don't need them anymore. Do not delete them. Otherwise you lose your reference. And hide that one. There we go. Now we want to go front plane, normal, sketch, and we're going to do a, you do it square if you want to go either. Actually, we might do center rectangle. Where's the center point there? There we go. The reason I'm doing that way I know high enough, I'm going to trim everything. Now it's going to be 2mm wide. Oops, measurement. Thank you. 2mm wide. This center point will line up with the reference there, the 0. That's going to be vertical. Now it's going to be, how high is that? 1.5. So smart dimension, and that shows it completely done. We want that line there to that line there. It's going to be let's go back one. Let's change that to, yeah, it's 1.5, but because we've got above that, it's going to be 3. There we go. Now if we do that point there, Actually, we can't move that sideways, can we now? No, we can't. It's actually locked in. Oh, interesting. Okay, done it automatically. Now, because that's in the middle there, we got feature, through cut. We want through all, second direction, through all, and done. There you go. See thread there. Now, if we had that missing, it may screw the thread up. And that's pretty much all that piece is. Nice. Let me put that with. Looks nice. That's part 5-46E Lubricator Ram Seal Nut for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon done. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Thank you for everyone's support. Welcome you subscribers. Got any questions, comments, suggestions, do something wrong, miss something, always happy here for you guys and girls. I'll see you next episode, and remember, keep designing.